Hi. So now let us see here different operators we are going to use in the where class actually. Okay. So actually we've seen in the last lecture only one operator, that is equal operator. But sometimes we need other operators also basing on the requirement. So that is what, of course, these are the well familiar operators only. So that is greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and this is the symbol for not equal. And not only this, of course, you can use this one also for the not equal symbol. Okay, and these are other operators you can use. These things separately we will see actually, and these have separate lectures we need actually. So let it be these three, last three, and these six operators, okay, very regular operators. Their meanings also very simple. Okay, so for just practice purpose, let us write down few queries basing on the given statement. So it's recommended that please try yourself first of all, write the query basing on the given thing, and then you cross check what we are writing here. Okay, so now here list the employees whose salary is greater than 1500. So he is asking the condition on the salary column actually. So what you can write down, so here you see he is not asking any specific columns in the output actually. So that means he need all the columns in the output. So that is why select, since we need all the columns, we are going for the star. And from where you need the data? From the employee table. So that is what, from table name is EMP. So that is what table name is here, EMP. And now the condition part, now actual part, where salary must be greater than 1500. So that is why here I am going for the where what actually column name is sal. So salary must be greater than 1500. So that's it. Very simply we can write down. Is it clear? So on which column he is asking the condition, you identify that column or attribute, and whatever that, basing on that operator you select, write down accordingly. That's it. So now let us try to write down another query. So list all employees except managers. So this is a little tricky. So how you will write down? We don't need managers, but other employees required actually. So how you can write down? So here you can see, first of all, here also, he is not asking any specific column. So that is why we are displaying all the columns. So that is select star. From the table is EMP, of course, as usual, EMP. Now come to the where class, where. So now you see he is asking the employees except managers. So managers, where under which column actually we have managers, this job category, right? So under this column we have to put a condition. So which is the suitable operator for this one? So except manager means if it is not equal to manager, then those employees we need, right? So that is what, where job type not equal to manager. If it is not equal to manager, then we can take down. So that is what you can see here. For example, it will see how the execution is also going on is, it will come to the first row. Let us see on this. So that for every query also same way we will see actually. For the first row, it will come to the first row, and wherever condition is there, job. So going to the job value, clerk. Clerk not equal to manager. Yes, it is true, right? So this record is going to return. And then it will go to the next row. Same thing, salesman. Salesman not equal to manager. Condition true. So this is also going to return. So like that next column, salesman going to return. But now here manager equal to manager. So actually here capital, here small, that is not a problem actually. That we will handle accordingly. Okay. So manager is not equal to manager. Actually, manager is equal to manager, right? So this record is not going to return. This is not going to come in the output. And same way, next also not going into the output. Next also not coming in the output. And this is coming because analyst, president coming, salesman coming. So there is no manager further. So all records are coming actually. So out of 14, these three are not coming. That means 11 records it is returning. So that means 11 rows you are going to have in the output. That is very important. Sometimes if it is a competitive exam or any interview, they will ask how many rows it is going to return. So that is also matter. Observe that only 3 managers are there in the job under job column. So only those records is going to return. Now let us try to write down another query. So that is list the employees who are working in the department 10. So I think this is a very simple one. So list the employees. So all employees is asking. So select star from EMP table name, where, see here I am writing where in the same line. Here we written in the different line. Don't think that both of them different. So you can write in the single line or you can write down different separate line, each clause. Select clause in one line, from clause in one line, where clause in one line. That is not a matter actually. So where DAPT number is 10. So that's it. Okay. So, and then another query, if you see, display the details of the employee Turner. So only Turner is what actually under in this table. Turner is actually a employee name. So that employee details we need actually. So that's it. We will write down select. Only one employee details it is asking star from. You can write down small letters also. These keywords select from where, all these things from EMP. So here we will write down where ename actually. Turner is here. Ename, where ename is equal to Turner. So only Turner, this entire row is going to come as a output. So here only one row is going to return actually. So in this way, so here just main information is what are all other operators we have. So those operators you can use basing on the given statement or basing on the requirement. Okay.